Good morning, friends. Today we're going to see the next program is check the number is palindrome or not. Let's consider the what are the numbers are called palindrome. If I give the 1 2 1, this is the palindrome number, because if I do the reverse of this program like 1 2 1, again number will be same. So another we're going to take the another example is, let's consider 2 1 2 3. Okay, if I do the reverse of this program 2 sorry 3 2 1, so it is not a similar as a above number. So this is it is not a palindrome number, this is a palindrome number. So the basically in palindrome number we are going to reverse the number and compare with the original number. So this is original number, and after that we are going to once we do the set of instruction, we are going to apply some techniques, and we reverse the number and compare with the original number with the previous reverse number. So if both number are same, then we can say it is palindrome, otherwise it is not a palindrome. So we're going to let's do the program for palindrome. First we're going to take the input from the user. Okay, here we're also going to use the while loop because we don't know the end condition. So we just say num, the number will be obviously integer. We're going to say input. Okay, please enter the number. Okay, so that's it. Then we're going to take some temporary variable, because here we are going to do the operation on temporary variable because this is our main original number. Okay, so we not do anything with the original number, we are going to do the operation on temporary number. That's we're going to take the one temp variable. Okay, it is going to assign the whatever value is num, it's going to assign to temporary variable. So reverse, we have to do the number reversing. So we're going to take another variable, that is rev or reverse or anything else. Okay, so we have three variable. One is taking original value, another is a copy of original value, and third one is the reverse number. So now we're going to check while number is greater than, okay, while num is greater than 0, obviously it's greater than 0, then okay, so number is greater than 0, then what we call, we're going to reverse the number. So whatever the reverse number, if I do the reverse this number, so I have to divide by 10 with this number, so I can get one digit after every iteration. So first iteration I'm going to say digit equal to dig equal to num divided by 10. So number, whatever the number is there, divided by 10. So I will, here I can get the first digit of a number, so here I can get this one number. So second steps is equal to reverse. So I want to reverse means I have to save the number. Okay, so rev this number, so rev reverse into 10 plus d, whatever the division number. Okay, so whatever the reverse number into 10 plus division. So I will say how the 10th base, so this is the mathematical formula, and we say 10th as a base. Okay, 10 as a base. So here how 10 base work is, how 10th as a base of mathematics work, here we're going to explain here. Okay, so next is again we're going to divide number. So num is equal to num divided by 10, it will going to give the absolute value, then we're going to check it. Okay, so this is the, here we get the value. Now if the temp number is equal to reverse number, temp number is equal to reverse number, then it is a palindrome, otherwise it is not a palindrome. So print it is a okay, and else it is not a palindrome. Okay, so that's at the program. Okay, so I will just explain one by one. First I'm going to print it, I will just execute the program, then I will explain. If I do the 1 2 1 print it is a palindrome. Okay, so first we're going to explain here, number is greater than 0. Okay, 1 to 1 number is greater than 0, condition get true, comes to here. Okay, Now number is 1 to 1, divide by 10, so you will get the 10 here. 1 to 1 divided by 10 will get the 1. Okay, so now digit value is 1 here. So now digit value could be 1, so I will just mix comma separator here I can. So digit value is, digit will be get 1. Okay, so reverse, now reverse is 0. Okay, the 0 into 10, nothing is going to happen. 0 into 10, nothing is, sorry, mistake. 0 into 10 will be 0 plus 1. So what is the reverse number value we have now? So REV equal to 0 into 10 plus 1, so it could have now 1. Okay, so for first iteration, again that now we have number is still 1 to 1 double divided by 10, so obviously it will going to 12, so this number will be going to make it 12. So for the for your understanding, so you can say, so this number is equal to 1 to 1 double divided by 10, and just print it. I will say, okay, it will going to 10, so it is going to the floor. Okay, so if you just do the normal division, okay, 1 second, I just clear that out. So because sometimes the floor division and division will get what we say, here we get most of the time get confused. So here we just in last program you are going to saw that it is a reminder here with the double forward slash, so double backward slash, we are going to check the reminder. Let's consider num is equal to 1 to 1 divided by 10. Here we just going to we are going to do the division. Here we are going to do the division, but here we just going to check the what is the reminder. Okay, so here we are not going to consider 0.1, so here we will absolutely check the division. So here we now number is divided by remainder by double backward slash 10. So okay, so we check the reminder here. So num equal to 12. Okay, so this is the one iteration 1. So next iteration comes, the 12 is greater than 0, correct? Okay, so 12 divided by 10, it will comes 2. Okay, now reverse already 1, then comes to here, reverse already is 1. Okay, and the digit number is will be 2, so we are going to do the calculation. 1 into 10 will be 10 plus 2 is going to 12. Okay, then comes to here, the number is 12 divided by 10, it will comes to 1. Obviously 1 is greater than 0, true, so 1 divided by 10 is going to 1. Okay, so now what is the number here? It is the revision number I have 12 plus 1 here. Okay, so 12 into 10, 120 plus 1, sorry, 10 into 12 into 10 is equal to 120 plus 1 equals 1 to 1, 121. So it will revision number is going to 1 to 1. After that comes to here, 1 divided by 10, 0, 0 greater than 0, condition false, comes to this condition, if statement. Okay, and check the temporary number is equal to revision number, बरोबर, because we already assigned the temporary number here. So our temporary number is a 1 to 1, and revision number also 1 to 1, so it will say it is palindrome, and program get exited here. So once we are going to again rerun it here, I just comment out here 1 to 1 palindrome 5 palindrome 4369, not a palindrome. Okay, 1, it is in palindrome, but it is wrong. Okay, so it is wrong because 1 is palindrome, but how can I change the number? If I, so number must be digit 3, or at least number should be greater than 3. So you can add one here if statement, or you can add the one loop and check the count. Okay, so how can we can check the count? Just we need to use this logic and we can get the count, total number of count of given digit number. So that we saw in last video. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel and video. Please do comment, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.